Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joanne and I'm a crochet designer. So in today's tutorial, we're going to make a bra cup, and the technique we're going to use today is pretty much the basic stitches, single crochet, chain stitches, and you're going to need a ball of yarn, a crochet hook, and a stitch marker if you are a beginner. So the project is quite simple and I hope you enjoy it till the end. By the way, I'm wearing one of the earrings I made like 2 days ago. If you need a tutorial on this, kindly comment down below, let me know and I'll do it for you. So let's get started. So for the materials, I'll be using cotton yarn. This yarn is 80% cotton and 20% acrylic yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. So before we get started, let me help you guys to determine a right sizing for you, especially when you're beginning your foundation chain stitches. My yarn is a bit chunky, so I'll be chaining 13 for a start, but for you, let me just draw something here for you. So assuming this is your bra cup, and then this is the middle point of it where your nipple is. So you're going to chain from here to here, and the type of yarn you're using is going to dictate that. So I don't know if maybe you are using a thin thread, just measure from here to here, and then that's going to help you know how much chain stitches to begin with. To begin, make a slip knot. Insert your hook, chain 13, okay, we've made our foundation chain, so we're going to single crochet until we get to this other side. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You skip this one over here, and then you single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So at this point, I love tucking in my end yarn, so I'm just going to single crochet on top of it. Sorry. I'm on my last stitch. So you're just going to tighten this up, and this is what we have so far. By the way, this is still our foundation stitch. So for the second row, you are going to chain 1, turn your work around, and then this chain 1 acts as a stitch. So we're not going to single crochet inside here, but we're going to single crochet onto the next one because the chain stitch is already a stitch. So just single crochet, and then I'll meet you towards this other end. One stitch remaining, and this is where we're going to make our peak. So to make your peak, we're going to do 3 double crochet into the same stitch. So 1 into the same chain space, single crochet again, single crochet for the last stitch. So inside this peak stitch, we've done 3 single crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so this is where your stitch marker comes in handy. So for the second stitch that we've done, remember we've done the 3 stitches, the second one, that's your middle part. So you better mark that stitch to avoid confusion, because if you miss your peak stitch, then your bra cup is not going to hold shape. So the next thing we are going to do, we are just going to single crochet going towards this side, and then I'll meet you when you get here. Onto the last stitch, we are going to single crochet, chain 1, turn your work again. Remember, we are not single crocheting onto this one, so onto the next one, do your single crochet going towards this side, and then when we reach at the peak here, we are going to do 3 single crochet inside the same chain stitch. Yeah, so this is another trick. If you're making your bra cup using the single crochet, please just make sure inside the peak you do 3 single crochet. Do not exceed that. Do not do 5 stitches onto the peak, because your bra is going to lose shape as well. So let's continue working it out and see what we are going to come up with. We are at the peak again. Remove your stitch marker, and then inside the peak we are going to do 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. So remember, the second single crochet inside the peak is your middle point again, so mark that, and then you're just going to single crochet going towards this end. So I'm at the other end. Remember, the chain 1 stitch is a stitch as well, so you're going to single crochet into it, because if you fail to single crochet into it, then you're going to lose your stitches and your bra cup is not going to hold shape as well. So continue the process. It's that simple. Just single crocheting, turning your work around, and then at the peak, always make sure you do 3 single crochet until you get your desired bra cup. So this is what I have. This is what I have. This is for size small. If you are medium or size large, continue working it out until you get your preferred size. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate. Kindly remember to subscribe and also leave a comment down below if you found the tutorial helpful. Yeah, and share with your friends, share with your family. And by the way, if you're in Kenya, my store is selling cotton yarn. I have different varieties from velvet yarn, even bikini yarn. So I'll just leave my comment down into the description box, so kindly feel free to reach me and let's do business. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.